Did you know you can control your Apple Watch 11 right from your iPhone? In this video, I'll show you how to screen mirror your Apple Watch on your iPhone, literally iOS to watchOS. Just make sure your iPhone is running on iOS 16 or later, and of course, it's compatible with Apple Watch 11. So let's open up settings on our iPhone, scroll down for accessibility. Now scroll down in here for Apple Watch mirroring, and then toggle on the button in Apple Watch mirroring. Just wait a couple of seconds to sync these devices, and then you'll see your Apple Watch home screen right on your iPhone. As you can see, you can swipe, scroll like you do on your watch, and enter any apps or watch settings from your iPhone. Since it's mirroring through AirPlay, it might seem half a second laggy, but personally, otherwise it works just fine for me. So you can press on the mirror watch power button to enter Control Center, and you can also go back to home screen from anywhere, just tapping on the mirrored crown on your iPhone. How cool is that? And to get out of here, just tap on the cross sign on the mirroring screen. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.